Hi, I'm James, a 31-year-old senior bank employee ng Marikina City. And this is me, in my natural habitat. Today is the weekend, and normally nagpapahinga lang ako. During the weekdays, I am super busy at work. Trabaho lang talaga ang bumubuhay sa akin, and I find purpose in what I do. I know I can take care of myself, but I believe iba pa rin yung may katuwang ka sa buhay at inaalagaan ka. Sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, okay na ako kung may dadating na someone sa buhay ko o wala. Pero ngayon, susubok akong hanapin ang aking soulmate and sana mahanap niya rin ako. Mother Mela, I hope you make your magic work.